Welcome to our cell presentation by Michael, Lacey, and Dylan. The cytoplasm is a gelatin-like liquid that holds the cell parts within the cell. Ribosomes are what make proteins for the cell with messenger RNA as the template. They are made within the nucleus out of proteins and an RNA mixture. The vacuole is the part of the cell that's used for storage within the cell. Within animal cells, they help with exocytosis and endocytosis.
The nucleus is a membrane-enclosed organelle found in most eukaryotic cells, which stores the genetic material also known as DNA. The nucleus is the most important part of the cell because it controls all the functions inside the cell. The mitochondria are membrane-bound cell organelles that generate most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reactions. In other words, this is the powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria takes in nutrients, breaks them down, and then turns the nutrients into energy. The cell membrane provides protection for the cell, and it provides a fixed environment inside the cell. Another function of the cell membrane is to recognize nutrients and let them into the cell and transport toxic substances out of the cell.
Lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles that contain digestive enzymes which break down into their essential parts, which are then recycled. Lysosomes break down and thus disarm any kind of foreign and potentially pathogenic materials that get into the cell through such extracellular sampling. The Golgi apparatus functions as a molecular assembly line in which the membrane proteins undergo extensive post-translational modification. In other words, the Golgi apparatus packs the molecules and is able to ship them to other organelles and where they need to go. The endoplasmic reticulum serves as many roles in the cell, including calcium storage, protein synthesis, and lipid metabolism. Its main function is to create proteins for the rest of the cell to function. It has proteins attached to the outside of the membrane. The ribosome that is synthesizing the protein is directly attached to the ER membrane. These membrane-bound ribosomes coat the surface of the ER, creating regions known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum.
This has been our cell project. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed.